Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my summer 2021 Oceanista unboxing. I am so excited about this. I love the Oceanista box. If you're not familiar with it, it's a seasonal beachy themed subscription box. So it's described as beach boutique delivered, and the products that you get in these boxes is so adorable, so fun, such amazing quality. It supports small businesses. So I am a huge fan and I am so thankful to Oceanista for sending me this box. This is not a sponsored video, but I always like to give a disclaimer when something is sent to me for free. But so before I get into unboxing this, which I am so excited to get into, I'm going to speed through this so that I can get into it. I want to give you a little bit more information. So it cost $95 for the box and you get over $200 worth of products, but I have a $15 off discount code for your first box, and that's code Christy. So $15 off of your first subscription, which would normally be $95. And they do have an annual subscription that you can sign up for, and they also do a gift subscription. So of course I'll have this linked in the description down below, but let's go ahead and get into it. It is a heavy box, but it is so cute. I want to show you a full view of the box. So adorable. All right, I can't wait to see what's in here. So actually what just tumbled out reminded me about something I did want to mention. This adorable sticker is for the VIP seasonal members. And what's really cool, I had never actually even heard of a subscription box doing this, but if you get 4 seasons in a row, so like you're very loyal and you've gotten your box for 4 seasons in a row, with a seasonal subscription, you become a VIP seasonal subscriber and you'll get like a bonus product like this sticker, and you'll get access to additional customization options, which by the way, I think it's great that you do get to choose certain items in your box. You get to choose your color of like the apparel and the size. So I just feel like everything about this box, they are doing it right. I am so impressed by them. Also, amazing product information, like top-notch product information, and that means a lot to me. And of course it comes beautifully packaged. Like seriously, every aspect of this subscription box is amazing. So right on top here we have a huge and beautiful product. So this is very soft. It's I feel like it's a beach blanket. Let me check out my product information. It looks like it's from the brand Sun Dream. Yes, it's the Sun Dream Sunday Throw. I'm not going to unroll it because it'll be too big to show on camera, but it's 73 by 48 inches. So that is a great size. I don't have a beach blanket, so I am really excited to get this. Ooh, and the next product, I'm actually pretty sure I got to choose my color of these. So I'm very excited about these K-Co Clay handmade earrings, which are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love the colors, but these came in a bunch of different colors. Here you can see what those look like, so adorable. Oh, and you can get 25% off your purchase with the code OCEAN25 at etsy.com/shop/KACO Clay. K-Co Clay. Such a cute name. Next up, ooh, 0 calories skinnies cocktail mixers, Paloma flavored. I don't think I've ever had a Paloma drink before, but it says Grapefruit Drink mix. And yeah, 0 calories, nothing in here, no sugar. Wow, I am so excited about this. This sounds like a perfect little summer cocktail. I really want to try this out. I wonder what you mix. Oh, it says on the side, 1 shot of tequila, 4 ounces of club soda, and 1 packet of this mix. Easy, I am definitely going to try that. That's awesome. And all of these products that I've pulled out are from brands that I'm not familiar with, so I love getting to learn about these new companies. Ooh, oh my gosh, this smells amazing and looks so adorable as well. Oh, I love this. This says Merci. Salt Air Scented Candle. This is beautiful. Seriously, everything in this box is so giftable, usable, and perfect. I love candles, and this one smells so great and is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, yes! Oh, I am a sunscreen fanatic, and this is from the brand Soleil Toujours SPF 30 Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sheer Sunscreen Mist, organic and reef safe. Oh, and I love a spray sunscreen. That is just my go-to for the body. So I am so excited to try this out. I have not heard of this brand before, but I love that it's organic and reef safe. So exciting. Seriously, all the beach essentials. I've got the blanket and the sunscreen. I feel good to go. And this next product I think is also going to be perfect for the beach trip. Ooh, this has such a nice, luxurious feel to it. And it is an adorable romper from the brand Geo. So it's kind of sheer, it's got the sleeves, the adjustable waist, so cute, the tie-dye print. This is the Cozy in Love Dolman Sleeve Romper. And actually, the products have retail values that I didn't notice at first. And this retails for $47. I'll go through and let you know the other retails as well. But there's one last product in here that I want to show, which I'm so excited about. This is beautiful. This is from the artist Fennel White. And I love beachy type of decor, pretty much is what I'll use this for. So cute. Let's see a little bit more about this. So it's the Life Arts Design by Fennel White. This retails for $45. Wow, that's some very nice art. It's a reproduction of original acrylic painting titled Vacation Vibes. A limited edition with maximum quantity of 550 prints created. So that's really cool. You get some really nice art in the box as well. So then I'll let you know the other retail values. So on the Sundream Sunday Throw, it retails for $54. So that is an expensive, luxurious beach blanket that I'm so excited to use. And then the Handmade Polymer Clay Earrings from KACO Clay retail for $24.95. And then the Soleil Toujours Organic Sheer Sunscreen Mist retails for $34. That's definitely a bougie sunscreen for my wallet. And the Saltaire Mineral Jasmine Bamboo Candle retails for $16. Wow, such high value items and so cute. Looking at all of them in front of me, it's just the most adorable beachy array of products, and I love every single one of them. Seriously, such an amazing box. Just, I can't say enough good things about it. Everything about this box I think is perfect. All full-size products, of course. Such a great range of products, just amazing. So if you get the Oceanista box, I would love to hear your thoughts on it this season. Which are your favorite products? But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.